We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Dell E515 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace and reset your drum. It's a very simple process, but if you've been getting a replace drum or low drum warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we're going to want to lower this front cover. In order to do that, there's going to be a little finger notch on either side of this cover. So you're just going to put your fingers in them and lower this front cover down. Now if you look inside, you're going to find a handle right in the middle. So you're going to grab that handle and firmly pull the drum and toner out of the machine. Now we need to separate our toner from our drum unit. In order to do that, there's going to be a little tab on the left side. You're going to push down on that tab. You're going to grab the handle for the toner, lift and pull the toner and separate it from the drum. So we can set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. And now we have our old drum. You can set that off to the side. And once you have your new drum unpackaged, ready to go, double check and make sure there's no packaging material anywhere on it. And now what we need to do is install our old toner into our new drum. To do that, you're going to want to take it starting up at an angle, seat the front of the toner into the drum, lower the back of the drum all the way down, press firmly until you feel it click all the way down into place. So now that we have our toner installed into our drum, we can install the toner and drum back inside the printer. So holding by the handle again, we're going to slide the whole unit all the way inside the printer, make sure it's firmly seated back inside the printer. And then before we raise this cover, you're going to want to press and hold the OK button for about 3 to 5 seconds. And that's going to ask you, did you replace the drum? You're going to hit 1 for yes or 2 for no. So go ahead and hit 1 for yes, that's going to reset the drum counter. And then we're going to go ahead and raise this front cover. Make sure it's closed all the way. So now because we reset that drum counter, the drum warning is going to go away and it won't come back until it's time to replace that drum again. And you'll be all good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.